Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan Jamaican patties. First, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted plant-based butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until a dough forms. Form the dough into a disc, wrap it tightly, and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. After chilling, roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface into a rectangle, approximately 10 by 12 inches. Fold the dough into thirds like a letter, then rotate it 90 degrees. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 15 minutes between each fold. This lamination technique is essential for achieving those beautiful, flaky layers. Keep your work surface and rolling pin lightly floured, ensuring the dough remains manageable and easy to handle. While the dough chills, prepare your savory filling. Sauté 1 diced yellow onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger in 2 tablespoons of oil until softened. Add 1 chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 cup of finely diced mixed vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Stir in 1 cup of cooked lentils or crumbled plant-based mince for protein, along with 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, simmering until the liquid reduces and the filling thickens. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the dough to about 1/8 of an inch thickness. Use a 5-inch circular cutter to create patty discs. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooled filling on 1/2 of each disc, leaving a small border. Fold the dough over the filling to create a half-moon shape, then crimp the edges firmly with a fork to seal. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Serve these delicious golden patties warm and enjoy your homemade Jamaican treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.